Peace be upon you and your family. In this video, we are going to discuss oxidizing property of potassium permanganate in acid medium. In the previous video, we have discussed the oxidizing property of potassium permanganate in alkaline medium and in neutral medium we have completed. But very important properties of potassium permanganate is acidified potassium permanganate is used as a powerful oxidizing agent. It oxidizes number of metallic salt and it oxidizes alcohol into aldehyde and goes on. Potassium permanganate, in which manganese is in highest oxidation state of +7. Highest oxidation state of +7. Therefore, compared with the potassium dichromate, potassium permanganate is a very powerful oxidizing agent. In acidic medium, in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid, potassium permanganate acts as a very strong oxidizing agent. In the presence of dilute sulfuric acid, potassium permanganate acts as a very strong oxidizing agent. Permanganate ion is converted into Mn2 plus ion. Permanganate ion is converted into Mn2 plus ion. I will write the equation and I will explain how to balance this equation, etc. etc. The oxidizing nature of potassium permanganate, that means permanganate ion in acidic medium, is illustrated in the following examples. Permanganate ion oxidizes ferrous salt Fe2 plus into ferric salt. So all the reactions are same. Just to watch the video. Finally, I will explain how to write these equations and how to balance this equation. During oxidation, permanganate ion is reduced into Mn2 plus. It oxidizes ferrous into ferric. Permanganate ion oxidizes iodide ion into iodine. During oxidation, permanganate undergo reduction gives Mn2 plus ion. I minus iodide ion is oxidized into iodine I2. Permanganate, it oxidizes oxalic acid into carbon dioxide. Permanganate ion oxidizes oxalate ion into carbon dioxide, but it undergo reduction gives Mn2 plus. Permanganate ion oxidizes sulfide into sulfur. During this oxidation, sulfide into sulfur, permanganate ion undergo reduction to Mn2 plus ion. Permanganate ion oxidizes nitrite into nitrate. It oxidizes NO2 minus into NO3 minus, nitrite into nitrate, but it undergo reduction gives Mn2 plus ion. Permanganate ion oxidizes alcohols to aldehyde. Alcohol to aldehyde, ethyl alcohol into acetaldehyde, ethanol into ethanol, acidified potassium permanganate. And permanganate ion oxidizes sulfite into sulfate. SO3 2 minus ion is oxidized into SO4 2 minus ion, but permanganate ion undergo reduction gives Mn2 plus ion. All these reactions we are going to see in separate, how to write the equation, how to balance the equation. All point we are going to discuss in separate. Let's see. During the watching the video, if you like, at any moment, please subscribe my channel. Oxidizing property of potassium permanganate in acidic medium. We are not going to take the potassium permanganate directly, but we are going to use only permanganate ion. In acidic medium, permanganate ion is converted into manganese ion. First we have to balance the common reaction, basic reaction. MnO4 minus, this is your permanganate ion, is reduced into manganese ion, Mn2 plus ion in acidic medium. In neutral medium, permanganate ion is reduced into MnO2. In alkaline medium, permanganate ion is reduced into manganate ion. In acid medium, permanganate ion is reduced into Mn2 plus ion. How to balance the ionic equation in acidic medium? First step, we have to balance the metal or element on both the side. Left hand side, 1 manganese, right hand side, 1 manganese. Metal is balanced. And second step, we have to balance oxygen. 4 oxygen. The oxygen is balanced by adding equal number of water molecule in the opposite side. 4 H2O. 4 oxygen, 4 oxygen. Then hydrogens, 4 into 2 equal to 8 hydrogens are balanced by adding 8 H plus ion. Hydrogen is balanced by adding H plus ion. So first we have to balance metal or element. Second, we have to balance oxygen. The oxygen is balanced by adding equal number of water molecule in the opposite side. Balancing of ionic equation in acidic medium is entirely different from alkaline and basic medium. Hydrogens are balanced by adding H plus ion, 8 hydrogen, 8 H plus. Finally, we have to balance the charges. Right hand side 2 plus, lowest charge. Left hand side must be 2 plus. Here we have 8 plus and 1 minus. 8 plus and 1 minus gives 7 plus. How to get 2 plus on the left hand side? By adding 5 electrons. 7 plus 5 minus will give 2 plus. This is the basic equation. This equation we are going to write in all individual oxidation reaction. The first oxidation reaction is acidified potassium permanganate oxidizes Fe2 plus ion into Fe3 plus ion. It oxidizes Fe3 plus ion into Fe2 plus ion into Fe3 plus ion. What is Fe2 plus? It is called ferrous. Iron is in lowest oxidation state, end with us, ferrous. Fe3 plus means ferric. Iron is in highest oxidation state, 3 plus ferric. First we have to write the common equation, basic equation in all oxidation. MnO4 minus plus 8 H plus 5 electrons gives Mn2 plus 4 water molecule. This is the basic equation. Now simply write the second equation. Fe2 plus ion is oxidized into Fe3 plus ion. Fe2 plus ion is oxidized into Fe3 plus ion. Balance is second equation. 1 ion, 1 ion. No oxygen, no hydrogen. So finally we have to balance number of charges on both the side. Left hand side 2 plus, lowest charge, right hand side 3 plus. So the charge must be equalized, both the side lowest charge 2 plus 2 plus. This 3 plus by adding 1 minus, by adding 1 electron becomes 2 plus. So after balancing both the equation, now we are going to add the two equation. How to add these two equation? When you add the two equation which involved electron, we have to balance the number of electron on both the reaction. First equation 5 electron, 7 equation 1 electron. To equalize the electron, first equation is completely multiplied by 1. Second equation is completely multiplied by 5. First equation is completely multiplied by 1. Second equation is completely multiplied by 5. 1 you will get same. Second equation is multiplied by 5. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 1 equal to 5. Correct? Second equation is completely multiplied by 5. Now we can cancel 5 electron from the two equation. So no other cancellation. Now I write the final equation. MnO4 minus permanganate ion plus 8H plus 5Fe ferrous 2 plus gives right hand side Mn 2 plus 5Fe 3 plus how many water molecule? 4H2O. In this reaction, which one undergo oxidation and which one undergo reduction? When I move from left to right, if the oxidation number of an element increases, it is called oxidation. If the oxidation number of the element decreases, it is called reduction. In permanganate ion, manganese is in +7 oxidation state. In manganese 2 plus, Fe3 plus, Fe2 plus. So, when you move from left to right, the oxidation number of manganese decreases from +7 to +2. Therefore, it is called reduction. Decreasing in oxidation number is called reduction. Come to iron. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number of Fe becomes increases 2 plus 2, 3 plus. Therefore, it is called oxidation. Permanganate ion oxidizes Fe2 plus into Fe3 plus, but it undergo reduction. This is the first oxidation reaction of acidified potassium permanganate. Come to second oxidation reaction. Permanganate ion oxidizes. It oxidizes which ion? Iodide into iodine. Second equation. It oxidizes iodide into iodine. Iodide, a halide. Iodide into iodine. I will write the name also. I minus iodide. I minus iodide into iodine. Iodide into iodine. First we have to write the common equation. Acidic medium permanganate common equation is MnO4 minus permanganate ion plus 8H plus ion plus 5 electrons gives Mn2 plus ion plus 4 water molecule H2O, 4 water molecule. Second equation, simply we can write I minus is oxidized into I2, iodine. First balance the second equation, 2 iodine, 2 iodine. No oxygen, no hydrogen. So finally we have to balance charges. Here 2 minus. Therefore right hand side must be 2 minus. That 2 minus is balanced by adding 2 electron. Now we are going to add these two equations. When we add the two equations, we have to equalize electron on both the sides. First equation 5 electron, second equation 2 electron. The numbers are different. Therefore, the first equation is completely multiplied by this 2 and the second equation is completely multiplied by this 5. So, after multiplication, first equation is completely multiplied by 2. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 8s are 16. 2 into 5s are 10. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 4s are 8. Second equation is completely multiplied by 5. 5 into 2s are 10. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2s are 10. Now we can cancel the number of electron on the both the side. Here you have how many electron? 10 electron. Here 10 electron. I think no other cancellation. Just we add the two equation and we will get the final equation. Here left hand side 2 MnO4 minus plus how many H plus 16 H plus plus how many I minus 10 I minus gives right hand side we have 2 Mn2 plus plus how many I2 5 I2 plus how many water molecule 8 H2O 8 water molecule and this is the final equation. Now I am going to tell which one undergo oxidation, which one undergo reduction. In permanganate ion, manganese is in +7 oxidation state. So when I move from left to right, manganese oxidation state decreases from +7 to +2. Decreasing in oxidation number is called reduction. Iodine oxidation state from -1 to homogeneous diatomic oxidation state equal to 0. When you move from I minus to iodine, the oxidation state increases. Therefore, this is called oxidation. Permanganate ion oxidize iodide into iodine, but it undergo reduction. Come to third oxidation reaction. Third oxidation reaction. It oxidizes oxalic acid into carbon dioxide. So the next oxidation is we are discussing the oxidizing properties of potassium permanganate in acidic medium. The next oxidation, acidified potassium permanganate oxidizes oxalic acid into carbon dioxide. Oxalic acid into carbon dioxide. You know the molecular formula for oxalic acid? Oxalic acid is the first member of dicarboxylic acid. IUPAC name ethane 1,2-dioic acid. Oxalic acid COOH, COOH, ethane dioic acid, oxalic acid. If one hydrogen is removed from oxalic acid, you will get COO minus and COO minus. It is simply, we can write this as, this is your oxalate. If it acts as a ligand, it is called oxalato. Total C2, how many oxygen? 4 oxygen, C2O4, 2 minus ion. It is C2O4, 2 minus ion. Now I write the basic equation of potassium permanganate, common basic equation. MnO4 minus permanganate ion plus 8H plus 5 electrons gives. Right hand side we have Mn2 plus how many water molecule? 4 water molecule, 4H2O, 4 water molecule. Second equation, write it simply. Oxalate COO minus is oxidized into carbon dioxide CO2. Now balance the second equation. First we have to balance element 2 carbon. Here you have 1 carbon, 2 carbon. How many oxygen? 4 oxygen. 2 into 2 are 4 oxygen. No hydrogen. Finally we have to balance charges. Left hand side 2 minus. Right hand side 0. So that 2 minus is balanced by adding 2 electrons. Now we are going to add these two equations to get the final equation. When we add the ionic equation, the electron involved reaction, the point to remember is we have to equate the number of electron on the both equation. First equation containing how many electron? 5 electron. Second equation 2 electron. So how to equate this? The first electron is completely multiplied by this 2 and second equation is completely multiplied by that 5. When you multiply the first equation by 2, 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 8 are 16. 2 into 5 are 10. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 4 are 8. Second equation completely multiplied by 5. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2 are 10. 5 into 2 are 10. Now, which one get cancelled? 10 electron get cancelled. 10 electron get cancelled. No other cancellation. Now, just add the two equation and write the final equation. 2 MnO4 minus permanganate ion plus how many H plus? 16 H plus 5 oxalate COO minus gives how many Mn2 plus? 2 Mn2 plus how many carbon dioxide? 10 molecules of carbon dioxide plus how many water molecule? 8 water molecule H2O. 8 water molecule H2O. This is the final equation. Before seeing which one undergo oxidation and which one undergo reduction, first you should know what is the oxidation number of carbon in oxalic acid or oxalato. Oxalato COO minus C2O4 2 minus ion. This is oxalato. Oxygen oxidation state 1 oxygen 2 minus 2 oxygen 4 minus, 4 oxygen, 8 minus. 4 into 2 are 8. So, by putting plus 6 here, our total becomes 2 minus. Minus 8 plus 6 gives 2 minus. 2 carbon oxidation state is plus 6. 1 carbon oxidation state is plus 3. In carbon dioxide, 1 oxygen minus 2, 2 oxygen minus 4. Therefore, carbon oxidation state is plus 4. When I move from left to right, carbon oxidation state increases from plus 3 to plus 4. If oxidation state increases, it is called oxidation. It is called oxidation. In permanganate, as usual, manganese is in plus 7 oxidation state. Manganese 2 plus oxidation state. When I move from left to right, manganese oxidation state decreases. Therefore, it is called reduction. It is called reduction. It is called reduction. Now, come to fourth oxidation reaction. Fourth oxidation reaction. Acidified potassium permanganate. Acidified potassium permanganate oxidizes sulfide ion. Fourth oxidation reaction oxidizes sulfide S2 minus ion into elemental sulfur. Into elemental sulfur. S2 minus ion is sulfide ion. Is oxidized into elemental sulfur. S2 minus. Sulfate SO4 2 minus. Sulfide SO3 2 minus. Sulfide simply S2 minus. Now write the basic equation for acidified manganate ion, permanganate ion. MnO4 minus plus, how many H plus? 8 H plus. How many electron? 5 electrons. Gives Mn2 plus, Mn2 plus, plus 4 water molecules H2, 4 water molecule H2O. Second equation, sulfide into sulfur. Sulfide S2 minus ion is oxidized into sulfur. Balance the second equation. 1 sulfur, 1 sulfur. Element is balanced. No oxygen, no hydrogen. Finally, we have to balance charges. Left hand side 2 minus. So, right hand side also 2 minus. That 2 minus is balanced by adding 2 electrons. Now, we are going to add these two equations. When we add the two equations involved in electron, we have to equate the number of electron, both the equations. Here we have 5 electron, here 2 electron. Therefore, the first equation is completely multiplied by this 2. And the second equation is completely multiplied by this 5. When the first equation is completely multiplied by 2, 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 8 are 16. 2 into 5 are 10. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 4 are 8. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2 are 10 electron. When we add these two equations, which one get cancelled? 10 electron get cancelled. No other cancellation. Just add two equations to get the final equation. 2 Mn O4 minus plus 16H plus 5S2 minus ion gives 2Mn2 plus how many sulfur? 5 sulfur plus how many water molecule? 8 water molecules. 8 water molecules. So what is the final equation? This is the final equation of oxidation of S2 minus into S. Now, element in free state oxidation state equal to 0. In permanganate ion, manganese is in +7 oxidation state. When we move from left to right, sulfur oxidation state increases from -2 to 0. Oxidation number increases. Therefore, it is called oxidation. Therefore, it is called oxidation. Manganese oxidation state decreases from +7 to +2. Number decreases. So, it is called oxidation state decreases. So, it is called reduction. Decreasing in oxidation state is called reduction. Then we are going to discuss the fifth oxidation reaction. Fifth oxidation reaction. Acidified potassium dichromate oxidizes. Acidified potassium dichromate oxidizes nitrite NO2 minus ion, nitrite into nitrate, nitrite into nitrate. What is nitrite? NO2 minus ion. Both are nitrogen. NO2 minus ion. Nitrite into nitrate. NO3 minus ion. In coordination chemistry, nitrito and nitrato. If it acts as a ligand, nitrito and nitrato. First equation, I am writing the basic equation, permanganate ion oxidizing agent equation. MnO4 permanganate ion minus plus 8H plus how many electron? 5 electrons gives Mn2 plus 4 water molecule. This is the basic equation. Now we are going to write oxidation of nitrate into nitrate, both containing oxygen. Therefore, NO2 minus is oxidized into NO3 minus. Balance the second equation in acidic medium. 1 nitrogen, 1 nitrogen. 3 oxygen, here 2 oxygen. Therefore, that 1 oxygen is balanced by adding 1 water molecule. How many hydrogen we have? 2 hydrogen. So, the hydrogens are balanced by adding H plus ion. Left hand side 2 hydrogen. Therefore, 2 H plus ions are added in the opposite side. So, finally, we have to balance charges. Left hand side we have 1 minus. Right hand side should be 1 minus. Here 1 minus 2 plus. So, 1 minus 2 plus gives 1 plus. How will you get 1 minus on the right hand side? By adding 2 electron. 2 minus 2 plus 0. So, 1 minus 1 minus. Charges also balanced. Now, we are going to add these two equations. First, we have to equate number of electron on both the equation. First equation containing 5 electron, second equation containing 2 electron. Therefore, the first equation is completely multiplied by these two, and the second equation is completely multiplied by that 5. After multiplication, 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 8 are 16. 2 into 5 are 10. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 4 are 8. Second equation multiplied by 5. So, 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2 are 10. 5 into 2 are 10. When we add these two equations, which one get cancelled? 10 electrons get cancelled. Hydrogen 10 H plus get cancelled. Remaining we have 6 H plus. Water molecule, 5 water molecule, 8 water molecule get cancelled. Remaining we have how many water molecule? 3 water molecule. Now add the two equations. 2 MnO4 minus plus how many H plus? 6 H plus. How many NO2 minus? 5 NO2 minus gives right hand side 2 Mn2 plus how many NO3 minus? 5 NO3 minus how many water molecule? 3 water molecules H2O. Now we are going to see how the oxidation is carried out. So before that, we should calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen in NO2 minus and NO3 minus. NO2 minus. NO2 minus. Minus means minus 1. 1 oxygen 2 minus, 4 oxygen 4 minus. 2 oxygen 4 minus. So by putting which minus, you will get minus 1 plus 3. Come to nitrate ion. What is the oxidation state of nitrate ion? NO3 minus 1. 1 oxygen minus 2, 3 oxygen minus 6. By putting plus 5, we will get minus 1 on nitrate ion. So, the oxidation state of nitrogen in NO2 minus is plus 3. That for NO3 minus is plus 5. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number of nitrogen increases. Therefore, it is called oxidation. It is called oxidation. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number of manganese plus 7 to plus 2. The oxidation number decreases. So, it is called reduction. Oxidation number decreases. Therefore, it is called reduction. This is 5th oxidation reaction of acidified potassium permanganate. Now, we are going to discuss the 6th oxidation reaction of acidified potassium permanganate. See here. It oxidizes alcohol into aldehyde. It oxidizes alcohol into aldehyde. Alcohol into aldehyde. Alcohol, if it is used in general word, it indicates ethyl alcohol, CH3, CH2OH. Aldehyde, acetaldehyde, ethanal, CH3, CHO, acetaldehyde, ethanal, Alcohol, ethyl alcohol, IUPAC name 2 carbon eth single bond ane OH all ethanol, acetaldehyde ethanal. Write the basic equation. What is the basic equation? Permanganate MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electrons gives Mn2 plus 4 water molecule. 4 water molecule. Second equation, it oxidizes ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2 OH into acetaldehyde. Molecular formula CH3 CHO. We have to balance the second equation. First balance number of carbon atom. Left hand side 2 carbon atom, right hand side 2 carbon atom. Then oxygen, 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen. Then hydrogen, 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Right hand side we have only 4 hydrogen. So that hydrogen is balanced by adding 2H plus ion. Finally, equate charges. Left hand side 0 charges, right hand side 2 plus. That 2 plus is equalized by adding 2 electron. Now we are going to add the 2 equation. We are going to add the 2 equation. For that we have to equate electron. First equation containing how many electron? First equation containing how many electron? 5 electron. Second equation 2 electron. Therefore, the first equation is completely multiplied by these 2 and second equation is completely multiplied by that 5. First equation is completely multiplied by 2. Here 2 MnO4 minus 2 into 8 are 16H plus 2 into 5 are 10 electron, 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 into 4 are 8. Second equation is multiplied by 5. 5 into 1 equal to 5, 5 into 1 equal to 5, 5 into 2 are 10, 5 into 2 are 10. Now electrons, 10 electrons and 10 electrons get cancelled. 10H plus get cancelled, remaining we have 6H plus. No other cancellation, just add 2 equation. 2 MnO4 minus plus 5 CH3 CH2 OH plus how many H plus? 6H plus gives right hand side 2 Mn2 plus how many acetaldehyde? 5 CH3 CHO plus how many water molecule? 8H2O. 8H2O. So this is the final oxidation reaction of ethyl alcohol into acetaldehyde. Ethyl alcohol into acetaldehyde. Now we can write the equation in molecular form also. We can write this equation in molecular form also. Permanganate ion, potassium permanganate, KMnO4, 2 molecules, plus ethyl alcohol, how many molecules? 5 molecules of ethyl alcohol, CH3, CH2, OH, plus acidified, which acid is used here? Sulfuric acid. If sulfuric acid is used, this H plus ion combine with the SO4 2 minus ion, form 6 hydrogen. Therefore, 3H2SO4. 3H2SO4 gives K plus, potassium plus, K plus, combine with the sulfate minus, form K2SO4, molecular form, plus Mn is reduced into Mn2 plus. Mn2 plus combine with the SO4. How many moles here? 2. So 2 MnSO4, molecular form, plus how many acetaldehyde? 5 acetaldehyde, CH3CHO. How many water molecule? 8 water molecule. One more oxidation we have in acidified potassium permanganate used as an oxidizing agent. That is seventh reaction of oxidation of seventh oxidation. Sulfite ion into sulfate ion. Sulfite ion into sulfate ion. Sulfite, already we have used this word, sulfide S2 minus, sulfite SO3 2 minus, and sulfate SO4 2 minus. So here SO3 2 minus is oxidized into SO4 2 minus. First I am writing the basic equation. MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electrons gives Mn2 plus 4 water molecules H2O. Second equation, SO3 2 minus ion oxidized into SO4 2 minus ion. Second equation we have to balance. 1 sulfur, 1 sulfur. Here 3 oxygen, that 4 oxygen. So the oxygen is balanced by adding water molecule. 1 oxygen is excess, therefore 1 water molecule is added in the opposite side. Now hydrogens are balanced by adding H plus ion. 2 hydrogen, therefore 2 H plus ion. Now we have to equate charges. Left hand side 2 minus, right hand side must be 2 minus, but here 2 minus, 2 plus neutralized. Therefore right hand side 2 electrons are added, left hand side 2 minus, right hand side 2 minus. When we add these two equations, we have to equate number of electron on both the equation. So first equation 5 electron, second equation 2 electron. Therefore the first equation is completely multiplied by 2, second equation is completely multiplied by 5. Multiply the first equation by 2. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 8 are 16. 2 into 5 are 10. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 4 are 8. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2 are 10. 5 into 2 are 10. Now we can cancel equal 1. First 10 electron get cancelled. Then 10 H plus 16 H plus, remaining 6 H plus on the left hand side. 5 water molecule, 8 water molecule, remaining 3 water molecule on the right hand side. Now the final equation is 2 MnO4 minus plus, how many H plus? 6 H plus plus, how many sulfite? 5 SO3 2 minus, right hand side we have 2 Mn2 plus plus 5 SO4 2 minus plus 3 water molecule H2O. 3 water molecule H2O. In this reaction, manganese is in +7 oxidation state. Sulfite, sulfate. Sulfur oxidation state, how to find? Sulfite, SO3, 2 minus ion. 1 oxygen minus 2, 3 oxygen minus 6. So by putting plus 4 for sulfur, we will get 2 minus on it. Sulfur oxidation state is plus 4. Right hand side sulfate plus 6. When we move from left to right, manganese oxidation state decreases from 4, 7 plus 2, 2 plus. Therefore, decreasing in oxidation number is called reduction. Decreasing in oxidation number is called reduction. When we move from left to right, the oxidation number of sulfur is increases. Increase in oxidation number is called oxidation. So, permanganate ion oxidizes sulfite into sulfate and it undergo reduction. This is the oxidizing properties of potassium permanganate in acidic medium. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.